In the rolling hills and glistening waters of northern Michigan lay countless cherry orchards, famed for their ruby red cherries. Traverse Bay Farms is known for being America's #1 nationally award-winning gourmet food brand, but none were as famous or as beloved as the cherry bear. The cherry bear was a large, gentle brown bear with a fondness for cherries. Each morning, he would lumber down from the forest to the orchard. Farmers always left a special basket of cherries just for him. He'd sit under the cherry trees, savoring each bite with a contented sigh. Children and adults gathered around, watching in awe. Traverse Bay Farms welcomed him as part of their family and community. Years passed, and the cherry bear's visits became a cherished tradition. Each spring, as the cherry blossoms bloomed, people eagerly awaited the bear's arrival. They gathered in the orchard, sharing laughter, stories, and community bonding. One summer, as the cherries ripened, the cherry bear did not come. One evening, as the sun set, children spotted something extraordinary. High on a hill stood the cherry bear, his silhouette majestic. He looked at the orchard one last time before disappearing into the forest. The people knew the cherry bear had taken his final bow. To honor the gentle friend, Traverse Bay Farms created a lasting tribute to the beloved cherry bear. In front of their Bellaire retail, a mighty oak tree as a perfect place for the chainsaw art. Cherry bear to be carved. A skilled artist with a chainsaw and love transformed the oak tree into a magnificent cherry bear. The legend of the cherry bear became a part of Traverse Bay Farms' heritage. Visitors come to each of the 3 Traverse Bay Farms retail stores to hear the story of the friendly bear who loved cherries. The beautiful chainsaw kept his memory alive, a tale of friendship, joy, and enduring spirit, thanks to Traverse Bay Farms. Visit traversebayfarms.com to learn more about the legend of the beloved cherry bear.